Hi, grade 7. Right, we're having a look at integers. What you will learn, some integers, some definitions related to integers, rules for adding and subtracting, and a method for proving that the rule is true. Right, are you ready? So, positive numbers. A number greater than 0. So 0 and to the right on a number line are positive numbers. We now have negative numbers, which is new to us in grade 7. So a number less than 0. Okay, so to the left of the number line. Right, opposite numbers. Numbers that are the same distance from 0 in the opposite direction. So -3 and 3. 7 and -7. Okay. Absolute value, the size of a number with or without the negative sign, is the absolute value. So 9 is the absolute value of -9 and 9. Right, negative numbers, you'll say, where do we ever use this? But negative numbers are being used to measure temperature under the sea level. So we're looking at that. And as well as negative numbers are used to show debt. So let's say your parents bought a car for 5,000 Rand. When counting all their money, they add in 3,500 Rand to show what they still owe the bank. If you don't see a negative or positive sign in front of a number, it is a positive. Integer addition rules. Now, if the signs are the same, pretend the signs are not there, add the numbers and put the sign in. 9 plus 5, 14. Minus 9, minus 5, minus 14. Right, then solve the problems. Even pause this presentation, guys, and have a look at -3 plus -5 gives me -8. But take the time to do this yourself. Right, this is something we've done in class. Then, integer addition rules. If the signs are different, pretend the signs are not there. Subtract the smaller from the larger one. Put the sign of the one with the larger absolute value in front of your answer. So -9 plus 5, you take the 9 minus 5 is 4. What is the absolute value? The biggest number is 9, which means -4. Solve these problems. Please take the time, pause, and actually do these problems. 3 plus -5 and see what the answer is. Right, here are your answers. This one we have done in class. Then one way to add integers is with a number line. When the number is positive, count to the right. When the number is negative, we count to the left. So, for example, 3 minus 5 is equal to -2. But have a look on a number line. You start with 3 and then you minus 5 from that. So move to the left 5 places. 6 minus 4, start on 6 and you minus 4 from that. To the left, you end up on 2. Right, 3 minus 7. Start on 3, 0 to 3, then left by 7 places, you end up on -4. Okay, we -3 plus 7. Yeah, again, we start on -3. Now I'm going +7. Move to the right, 7 places, I end up at 4. Subtraction rules. 2 plus -7. So now, subtracting a negative number is the same as adding, but if the signs are different, find the difference, put the sign in front. Remember their brackets? Negative positive gives a negative. 2 minus 7 minus 5. Yeah, more examples. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 plus 8 is 20. Now -3 minus 11 is -14. Like adding, guys. -3 plus 11, now they're different. Find the difference and you give whichever number is the highest digit, absolute value, you put that sign by it. So it's +8. Right, very important this, guys. Positive, positive when multiplied, not added and subtracted, multiplied. How do we show multiplication? By brackets or a multiplication sign or a dot. But remember, we're looking at brackets here. Positive and positive, multiplied is positive. Positive, negative, negative. Negative, positive, negative. Negative, negative becomes positive. Right, check your answers. Do this, guys, and see if you get the same answer. You have learned lots of things about adding and subtracting integers. Let's go back and just see what we've done. The integer rules, if the signs are the same, pretend the signs are not there. Add the numbers and then put the sign of the addition in front of whatever is the adding, the numbers that you're adding. So 9 plus 5, both positive, 14. Minus 9, minus 5, both negative, negative 14. No multiplication here, so no signs change. Right, addition rules. If the signs are different, pretend the signs are not there. Subtract the smaller from the larger one and put the sign of the larger absolute value in front of your answer. Okay. One way to add integers is with a number line. Remember, numbers to the right, positive, to the left, negative. Integer subtraction rule. Subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive. Change the signs and add. So 2 brackets, so change the sign, 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 becomes 9. How do we know that subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive? Is it true? Can we use the same method to check our answers when we subtract? So let's look. A minus B is equal to C. So 2 minus 5 is equal to 7. Yes, that is so, because 2 plus 5 is 7. A is equal to B plus C. 2 is equal to minus 5 plus 7. Yes, it is. So it does work to actually test it like this. Discuss this problem whether or not it has been done correctly. Okay, so we've got 6 minus 9. So you've got brackets. 6 plus 9, is it 15? Right, aren't integers interesting? I hope that helped you guys.